promise of our God brings a brand new day. Joel's words remind us, past is a fading story. In faith our spirits rise, we shall prevail. In the shadows we've been broken, left to lay, but the promise of our God brings a brand new day. Joel's words remind us, the past is a fading story. In faith our spirits rise, we shall prevail. Come join the line and our voice together. We celebrate, we rise up, triumph in His name. Restoration in the whole world we proclaim. Join us in this journey. Let us spirit soar. Our Dunamis Assembly. Sing we celebrate. We celebrate. Rise up, triumph in His name. Restoration in the whole world we proclaim. Join us in this journey. Hallelujah. Let us spirit soar. Dunamis Assembly. Sing we the Lord. His light shines brighter. Yeah, for healing grace, restoration in our heart. Every single place, from ashes we live march. Renewed in His embrace, the God of restoration, our days will replace. He has done